Cellwatch is an automated battery monitoring system that runs 24 hours a day to prevent the risk of unplanned outages due to battery failure. Cellwatch is easy to use and delivers accurate and reliable information about the health of your battery. No system on the market today can protect your lead acid or nickel cadmium batteries better than Cellwatch. This is the first in a series of videos that demonstrate the capabilities of the Cellwatch software.
The Cellwatch software is designed to reflect the battery configuration and to quickly view the status of any battery, string, or cell within seconds. In this installation, there are multiple batteries being monitored, 2 UPS batteries and a generator battery. Click on each battery to see its configuration: UPS 1, UPS 2, and a small generator start battery. Below are the strings associated with this battery, UPS 1. In this case, there are 4 strings. Select a different string by clicking it. Each string is made up of multiple cells, jars, or monoblocks, depending on your configuration and nomenclature. Each cell is represented by a rectangle. In this configuration, the strings are 40 cells long. Cellwatch provides this graphical status of all batteries, strings, and cells. Green means everything is good. Yellow indicates the system is scanning. Red means the system element is in alarm and needs attention. As noted earlier, this tab represents battery 1. Hover over the battery to get the current status. Now, select the strings individually to navigate through each string. String 1, string 2, string 3, and string 4. Each of the individual cells have been numbered within those strings, 1 through 40, 41 through 80, and so on. There are 3 simple controls for accessing and controlling Cellwatch: hover, right-click, and left-click. Hover over the cell to see the latest voltage and ohmic value measurements for this cell. Right-click on the cell to access the controls available for that cell. See the cell number, cell history, alarm reason, and set alarm levels for the cell. Left-click to pull up the graphs available for the cell: voltage and ohmic value together, voltage only, or ohmic value only. These charts show the latest readings from the current calendar day.
The Cellwatch software provides a single view into the entire battery bank to see a complete status and quickly determine if there is an issue.
Throughout the day, Cellwatch scans for voltage, current, ohmic value, and temperature. The yellow color cycling through the cells indicates the system is scanning. Notice here the scan has paused momentarily. This shows an important characteristic of the system's behavior. When Cellwatch detects a condition in the system it believes is an issue with the battery, it will pause to run multiple tests before declaring a fault condition. The process of running multiple tests to make sure there is an actual alarm is extremely important. Cellwatch runs these multiple scans to ensure accuracy and to confirm there is a fault before reporting an error to the user. When a confirmed alert condition is found, Cellwatch indicates the alarm condition by changing the color of the element to red. Thus, Cellwatch makes it easy to locate exactly where the errors are and to isolate them in the system.
The Cellwatch software provides comprehensive information about each element of the battery bank, enabling efficient diagnosis of any alarms that may occur.
Now let's look at how to examine alarm conditions. First, review the battery and string tabs for any red indicating an alarm condition on that element. Here, UPS 1 is red. Hover over this red indicator to see the fault. Notice the system is showing 2 issues. One is a temperature alarm and the other is a voltage alarm. To investigate these further, click on the strings to identify which string is an alarm. Note that all strings are normal except string 1. There is 1 jar in string 1 that is showing an alarm condition. Hover over the string to see that the latest temperature reading was 35 degrees Celsius. Now, review the temperature alarm by right-clicking on the string and selecting Set Global Alarms. This shows that the alarm was set at 28 degrees Celsius, and there is a reading of 35 degrees Celsius currently. Thus, it is easy to know where the alarm occurred and what caused the issue. Next, let's evaluate the voltage alarm condition. Hover over the cell which is highlighted in red to see the latest voltage reading. Next, right-click to view the alarm reason. Next, select Set Alarm Limits for this cell to quickly identify that the voltage limit is set to 12 volts. Notice, the latest voltage reading was 11.75 volts, so there was a low voltage reading detected on this particular cell during the last scan.
Cellwatch runs throughout each day, scanning the battery for changes in its behavior to detect when conditions indicating potential battery failure occur. The Cellwatch software provides a comprehensive and easy-to-use view into the status of the battery, along with detail on alarm conditions to be investigated.